Hello and welcome to Digital Live. My name is Sam Johnson. I am your host. I am the Chief Marketing Officer at BookingLive. And today we have a podcast for you all around why Microsoft chose to work with BookingLive. Why a multinational corporation like Microsoft decided to procure and use a software solution from BookingLive. All right, let's get into it. Welcome to the report on why Microsoft chose BookingLive to provide its online booking, scheduling, and appointment system. This report will cover some of the key information that they made in their decision-making processes, the project requirements and solutions phases, and we'll also get to hear some of the words from the head of operations for Microsoft's Western European program. And I think we'll actually start off with those words because it really does wrap it in a nutshell, and it really does allow us to understand the overarching outcome of the project. So let's go for it. This is Johnny Gorman, the head of operations for the Microsoft for Startups Western European program. Before discovering BookingLive, it was extremely hard for us to compliantly manage bookings for events, socials, and meetups. BookingLive has taken away all that pain from providing fully scalable, fully bespoke, and fully GDPR compliant online booking solutions. The BookingLive team are very professional, and they ensure that the end-to-end process of procurement to go live ran smoothly and that all deadlines were met. He says he would thoroughly recommend the product and team to any organization looking for a booking solution. Again, that was Johnny Gorman, the head of operations for the Microsoft for Startups Western European program. And it really does wrap it in a nutshell and allows us to understand how this has gone from Microsoft's perspective. Now, let's dive into some of the project detail. Here's a bit of the overview. So Microsoft supports startup communities to grow, build, and connect with their Microsoft for Startup program. They offer free workshops all around the world with the objective of helping startup companies to increase their customer base and revenue streams, whilst obviously, of course, improving the lives of those people inside and outside of their work through lots of different initiatives and programs. Microsoft was looking for a scalable and bespoke solution that would really help them to take the bookings and reservations in a user-friendly, GDPR compliant and automated way. There's a list of requirements, of course, and we went through a full becoming a preferred supplier process with Microsoft, but in a nutshell, here's some of those specific elements. So, organizing workshops was an incredibly painful process at that time for Microsoft, forcing organizers to use manual and slow methods like email bookings, phone call bookings, and that's not a great user experience and it's not a great use of administrative time. They needed to create an efficient client-facing and, of course, GDPR-compliant booking process, which would generate as few clicks as possible for the end user. It needed to have amazing UX and UI. They needed a highly customizable solution that would work globally, catering to different locations, cultures, and time zones all around the world. And what did BookingLive do about that? Well, we created a simple yet really powerful booking system solution, enabling the event organizers to advertise workshops, take the bookings, email participants, and produce their GDPR-compliant reports that they needed and were really integral to the project. And since the go live, the BookingLive system has helped Microsoft to increase the number of participants exponentially, rising from an average of 50 per event to over 265 participants per event. It's a mutually beneficial partnership that really goes beyond a standard supplier-client relationship, encompassing a huge amount of support and professionalism, and of course, now becoming a preferred supplier. Naturally, Microsoft users expect a truly multi-device platform designed for the highest quality customer experiences, and this is exactly what BookingLive provided them with. If it was on mobile, if it was on a tablet, a laptop, or a desktop, the solution was there, it was ready for them, and it was good to go. If you want to find out a little bit more about BookingLive and its partnerships with other organizations going through digital transformation or big enterprises that are looking to try and increase their user experience, and also how BookingLive can bring its over 10 years of successfully servicing global enterprises and large local government and central government organizations, give us a contact. If you're outside of the UK, the number is +1 117 933 8632. Again, if you're outside of the UK, it's +1 117 933 8632. Or if you are within the UK, then it's 0117 933 8632. That's 0117 933 8632. If you want to email us, feel free to send us an email. Any of your questions, we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And that is sales@bookinglive.com. That's sales@bookinglive.com. BookingLive.com. We've got some really exciting speakers coming up from within local governments based around the UK, city councils, district councils, and a couple of London boroughs, that some of their executives, their senior management are coming onto this podcast to give you guys insight into what's going well, what are the challenges been, and how they're improving their digital transformation over the next couple of years to future-proof services for the local citizens in their districts and areas. We also have a couple of private sector organizations coming in to speak about digital security and cybersecurity, so you guys can stay on top and get some of that cutting edge information before it goes out to the rest of the world. So we're really excited about what's coming up next, and we'll be in touch soon.